Nice swimming pool here. Pool hours 6 a.m. here now. All the restaurants in the back there, so also busy. Lots of swimming pool area here. Wow, nice. Sitting areas here out the front. Beanbag style soft cushion seating. Beach here also. Some really beautiful picture moments here. Nice. And then here's the swimming pool. Everybody just sitting relaxing. Very nice sunset in the distance there. Good early evening from Bali, Indonesia. So it's just before 6 p.m. I'm here in the Kuta area of Bali, and what I'm going to feature in today's video for you is a beach walking tour along Kuta Beach. So the starting point for today's video is going to be actually at the main gate entrance to the Kuta Art Market. So I'm going to show you the way down to Kuta Beach, and then I'm going to turn left when I get to the end and make my way along Kuta Beach all the way to Jerman Beach. As I'm walking along the track, I'm going to take in all of the hotel resort accommodation options, all of the restaurants. Also going to walk past the rear entrance to the Discovery shopping mall. So I'm just going to give you some idea of what you can expect along this beach walk here in the Kuta area of Bali. So without any further ado, let's go and get started and take a beach walk here in Kuta. Okay, so here's the main entrance to the Kuta Art Market now. This is the street of Jalan Kartika Plaza. Lots of bars, restaurants and things on that street. That's the street of Jalan Bakung Sari up there. Lots of massage and things on that street there. Just to the left here, this is Kuta Square and heading to Jalan Pantai Kuta, the main street going down to Kuta Beach. And then this is where we're going to be walking in tonight's video. So we're just walking along this section. Kuta Art Market is just on the left there, the new big building. A big collection of tourist goods shops here. This is a place called Dawn Gift Shop. I highly recommend this shop if you're looking for some very authentic, unique Bali gifts, souvenirs. Just got a big collection of tourist goods shops all along the side here. And then just here we have the Kuta Art Market, based over 1, 2, 3 floors, the Kuta Art Market there. Okay, so just down a bit further, here's all of the entrances to the Kuta Art Market. One on the left, one on the right, one straight down the middle there. And lots of tourist goods shops all along here also. Selling all of your typical tourist goods, bags, sunglasses, sports shirts, all available there. And then we're just going to head down to the Shelter Cabananam Baruna. It's down in the bottom there. Okay, so there it is, the Shelter Cabananam Baruna, big Balinese statue on the top there. Just to the right here we have a collection of local warungs and things. All very cheap prices if you want authentic Indonesian food. On the right hand side there we have the Pantai Kuta. We'll just go over and take a look at the Kuta Beach area in this location. There we have the Pantai Kuta beach sign. There's the beach area here. Quite a few people actually around, Indonesian. I don't see any Western tourists. All of your drink sellers and things at the back here. And that's Kuta Beach. Okay, so just back at the shelter. So in tonight's video we're going to be heading left, heading and making our way down towards Jerman Beach. You can see this is all the motorbike parking, car parking area here. 2,000 for motorbikes, 5,000 for cars I think. I'm just going to head along this track here. All these beautiful statues here. Surf lessons, surf school. Also have some ladies and gents toilets to the left there in case you need to use those. And then we'll just continue walking. Okay, so it's a nice beautiful big wide path this leading down to the Jerman Beach area, or connecting Kuta and Jerman Beach areas. I'll just show you some of this area here. A little bit untidy in this area. Nobody really on the beach here. Okay, so after just walking along the track and just continue basically walking along the track, we have quite a few sellers here. However, they don't really appear to be operational much today. There's one here selling some of the massage oils and things, some bronze statues and things like that here. There's a few sellers here again selling all of your typical tourist goods. This is the Garden Beach resort. I've featured this in a video. Very nice accommodation this. A nice bar area there. I'll just walk in here and just show you there's a swimming pool area. Beautiful gardens and things there in the back. Nice swimming pool here. Pool hours 6 AM to 6 PM. Just get back on the track. The ocean's high tide at the moment, it's right up to the rocks. Another dinner area there. It's called Boardwalk, this one. Not too busy, maybe it's because of the weather. Okay, so it's now 7 PM. I'm just walking back from Jerman Beach after finishing the video. Here's how busy Boardwalk is now at 7 PM. Lots of customers inside here now. All the restaurants in the back there are also busy. Lots of customers out the front here. So I was walking a little bit early. There's a lot of customers here now. Let's keep walking along the track. So now we're approaching the entrance to the Discovery shopping mall. The live performance on here. So that's the main entrance up there in the back to Discovery shopping mall, or the back entrance. Artist here doing some sketching. A nice collection of restaurants and little places in here. Kuta Bali. Coffee latte there. It's all Indonesian. I don't see any Western tourists anywhere. Lush Island, that one's called over there. Everybody just sitting relaxing. Okay, just from my little collection of places there, you can see everybody sat on the edge here. So many people here. Nice in there. Starting to get the sunset in the distance there now. Have the Discovery Kartika Plaza on the left here. Very nice sunset in the distance there. So we have a restaurant connected with the Discovery Kartika Plaza, So Koob. Some Western tourists in the gazebo seating there. A little bit quiet out here. Wow, interesting. Maybe a little bit early doing the walk. Just take you in the gate entrance here now and show you the swimming pool here at Discovery Kartika Plaza. Beautiful big grass area. A beautiful big swimming pool area here. Wow, nice. Look at that. There's sun lounges around the back. We're just coming out from our swimming pool, so there it is, Discovery Kartika Plaza Hotel. A big kids play area over there as well. Looks very nice. Have a Mickey Mouse as well. Nice. Just continue walking now. Okay, so Discovery Hotel Kartika Plaza is an absolutely huge hotel resort facility. These are the villa area in the back here. I'll just show you in a moment. So we've got quite a few Western tourists here. Beautiful with the sun there in the distance. So this is all of the villa type, Jogolo type accommodation here. It's very nice. These are the villas. So you don't have a beach at the moment, it's high tide. There is sometimes a beach location out the back here of the hotel resort. Villa 3A, Villa 5 there. You can just keep walking along the track. Okay, so just leaving the Discovery Plaza and Kartika Plaza Hotel. The Sankatai Spa or whatever it is here. Balinese massage. Just from a spa there. A seating relaxing area up above there. I'm just taking some photos. Like some little stone islands out in the distance there. So beautiful. Wow. So this is the Anvaya Beach Resort here on the left. Also has a main street location on Kartika Plaza also. There's your beach area here beside the Anvaya. And a little swing over there. 2-person, Kuta Beach, Anvaya Beach Resort. Your swimming pool's over in the back there. And a restaurant here as well. This is the Sands restaurant there. It's just a little bit high to get up and above. People are hidden by the plants. It's a very nice, impressive restaurant though. Here's an entrance to the sands. Have a wooden deck seating area here, inside seating area in the back there. Just from the sands there, just here we have a tour information, tour booking service. Usually some stalls set up here, however they're not today, maybe because of the weather. We just had a bit of a downpour. Theatre Spa by the sea, presume that's connected with the Anvea. It's in the back there. Not sure whether it's part of the Anvea or not. Again, little cellars here. And just coming up on the left, I think this is the Bintang Bali. Looks as though they've got a buffet dinner here, all under preparation. Seating area as well. Bintang Bali has all the seating areas here under the roof. Also have some nice little seating areas here out the front. Beanbag style soft cushion seating. I've just gone cut inside here the Bintang Bali resort. I featured this place in a video. Fabulous accommodation. There's a name over there, Bintang Bali. Have a shower here. Wash off after you've come from the beach. Some nice little swings there as well. Wow, nice. And then here's the swimming pool. Synthetic sun lounges all along the back here. Have a beautiful big swimming pool. Okay, so just coming out from the Bintang Bali resort. Some volleyball here. Indonesian playing. 2 volleyball courts here. Okay, so now just from the volleyball guys, just down from the Bali Bintang resort. Another restaurant here. This is now we've entered the Jerman Beach location, Pantai Jerman. So just on the other side of the Pantai Jerman sign, now we're going to walk onto the beach, and I think you have a few places just at the back of the beach here also. Some really beautiful picture moments here. Pantai Jerman there, little sitting on the log. Oh, there used to be a heart as well. That's maybe gone, maybe washed away. And then just at the back here we have a collection of a few local warungs restaurants here. It's quite a big collection here. I think it's a few different ones together. And a big group of Western tourists here. Nice. And then just down at Jerman Beach you also have your sun lounges, some synthetic, some wooden soft cushion tops. And here's Jerman Beach. Not so busy. Sometimes on the weekend it can be very busy this. Reasonably clean. A little bit of waste here, but they have cleaned it up, done a very good job. A little bit of a cleaner ocean this than the Kuta Beach area. You can see it's got a nicer colour tint to it. Okay, so that concludes today's video, my beach stroll from Kuta Beach to Jerman Beach. So as you've seen with the camera in today's video, you had a nice collection of hotel resort accommodation options in this section. Also some nice beachfront restaurants there connected with the resorts and hotel accommodation. Had a nice collection of restaurants and things at the back end of the Discovery shopping mall there. Also an impressive fire dance there. That's every day at 6 p.m. Lasts approximately 20 minutes. Absolutely fabulous show that. All the restaurants at Discovery Shopping Mall seem to be very, very popular in amongst Indonesian people. And then we got down to the Jerman Beach area, and then you had a collection of local warungs restaurants on the beach there at Jerman Beach. Really nice beach location, Jerman Beach also, very popular particularly on the weekends. Maybe a place you want to give a try. And on that note, hopefully you've enjoyed this evening's video. Hope some of you find this video useful and maybe want to take a sunset stroll along this section of beach. And I shall say bye for now.